Hi friends, this video is about Telegram application, Telegram feature, and this video could be helpful for the government job aspirants. Definitely. If you are not installed the Telegram app, go and install the Telegram application in Play Store. Once you install, come back to the Telegram application. Open the Telegram application. In the search icons is present. Better to click on the search icon. Many of the open groups are able to crack IAS, KS, or banking. Already I told many of the open groups just search banking one. Okay, see many of the open groups are available, banking, folks or macro, which group you want, just click on that one. I will click on bank IBPS one. If you want to join, and many of the study materials are available. But you go through and which one is important to you, which one you want better to download and crack. Definitely like this, you can utilize these studying materials. Definitely you can crack any of the exam like that. IAS also, if I want to search IAS one, many of the open groups are available for AST, ASTA, like that many groups. Just I am showing this is the best feature what I got in Telegram open groups, like that what I mean to say. Okay, if okay, come on to the normal things. What are the settings? In settings, if you want to change the chat setting, better to go on the change the background what you want. If you want to change the background, just make it a set background. If you want to change change it as light one or dark mode, like that, better to change it as like that with the color also. And if you want to view it as two lines or three lines, like that message, make it as change it as it is. And if you want to change the stickers, just trending stickers are available. Go on change this. And moreover, if you want to make general knowledge questions, make use of okay, I want to send a first of all vote port, like that I will show that one also. Just okay, at you can type. Many of the options are giving free suggestion options are giving. If I want to search it as at IMDb. Okay, okay, already I show KGF. What is the rating of it? Will show the rating of the movie. See what is the rating of the 8.2 and give the suggestion for the trailer also. Or you can choose a game and play with your friends, like that. Or else if you want to it will show the suggestion of this video, for example, like that. You can make use of this option. You can set the videos, for example, I will show base method in Kannada, like that. Find my channel. Okay, it will give the okay, it will show the videos of that link. If you just you can search the name, it will show the link of that in YouTube, like that. Or else if you want to create a general knowledge question, vote port options are available. Vote port, click on the vote port. It will show the option, many of the available. If it is available, it will show the option. If you want to create, just create new port. Just make it as start one, STRT start. After once you start, it will ask as public or anonymous. I will always use to make it as public one only. Now good, it show the option. Now send the question. Okay, capital city of Karnataka. Just I will show, just I am showing city of Karnataka. Okay, it will ask the Mysore. Okay, if you one more options, Bangalore. Okay, no, once it is once you have done, just make it as done one. Okay, okay, if you want to send this one, just click on, it will show the option. If you want to, it is like an general question. Like if you want to send like this question, hi, how are you, yes or no, like that, you can send, make it as this option for general knowledge purpose. To other go, if you want to create a group like this one, make use of this WordPort application or IMDb or whatever the option are shown before. Make use of those things. If you want to schedule a message to some other people, just okay, just type and hold on enter button. It will show the options for send without sound. It will not at all make a sound while sending the message. Or else one more option, schedule message. Then that means if you want to send a birthday message to some other people, make it as schedule one. Definitely it will send to the people at night only, which preferable time you can send the message to that person. This is the best option. And one more option what I got is, if you want to send a image to some other people's, okay, I want to send this image to people, it will automatically, sometime many of the people have misused like that. After fix the time, it will automatically delete the photo. Okay, after 3 seconds it automatically delete from other end as well. Okay, it already sent. Okay, the one thing highlighted here is you can add the account, many of the things in this Telegram. You can add multiple accounts. Okay, now message came to other number. Just okay, after once I see, it automatically delete after 1 or 2 seconds. See, photo as expired like that. You can utilize these options in Telegram. And already I said, if you want to secret chat with your friend, make it a secret chat with your, I will take my number only. Okay, okay, I will take the secret chat. After once it is secret chat, if you want to automatically delete if you want to delete the messages automatically, just make it as 1 week or 2 weeks, it automatically delete the message from both the ends. Like that, Telegram application, many of the numerous features are available. And also one thing, if you want to search a friend in your location in contacts, go to the 3 dots, whatever you showing the 3 dots, just go and click on the contacts one and find people nearby. It will show the option who are all the people available in your location. Like that, you can easily chat with your friend. Maybe I covered all the things here. If I miss any of the things in this video, please let me know in the comment section. I will add in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.